Hi, Anissa Coy here with Firehouse Education, and I wanted to talk to you today about the highest profit centers in the restoration industry, and that is contents cleaning and processing. You know, contents restoration is one of the highest, most lucrative areas in the restoration industry. One of the most lucrative things that we can do in this industry, and it's often overlooked. In fact, a lot of restoration contractors will flat out shun it out of fear of the unknown or being concerned because it just seems like it's a lot of moving parts to handle, and what they don't realize is just how lucrative that part of restoration is. They don't realize that they're walking away from some of the easiest money that you can make out there in the industry, okay? And there is a huge need right now for good contents restoration contractors. It's a great niche that needs to be filled. And really, you know, when we started doing contents back in 2003, it was really just a service that we offered, right? Just along with doing all the reconstruction and the floods and all that sort of thing. And upon a financial analysis that we did in the company, we realized that contents restoration, which was a very small part of our company back then, was literally the highest profit margin service. We were making a lot of money, more money in that one division of our company than we were in the other divisions of our company. So that being said, we really focused on that, and we've really been able to figure out how to do things in contents restoration that's very different than from what others do in the industry. You know, we figured out how to get paid fast and in full. We figured out how to write scopes that didn't get questioned. We figured out how to help handle and walk our homeowners, our clients, through the process so that the fear wasn't there, to help handle and remove a lot of that emotional, messy side that, you know, adjusters and contractors don't want to deal with. You know, the other thing that we figured out in the systems and procedures that we've put in place is just exactly how to become the solution partner for the adjuster on the loss. Look, if you ask any adjuster out there, they will straight up tell you contents are their worst nightmare, their biggest headache, and they just don't like them. Well, there's a big opportunity there if you have the right systems and procedures in place and understand how to process these claims, you know, fast and efficiently. There's a huge opportunity there for you to become that adjuster solution partner and make this a huge win-win for everyone. You know, it really amazes me when I hear contractors say, oh, I don't want to do contents because they're just a pain, and you know, I really want to just get to doing the reconstruction because that's where I make the big money. Look, there's a big check when it comes to reconstruction, that's for sure. But on a $100,000 restoration job, you will not make the kind of profit margin that you make when you're doing contents. Contents are easily in the 70% range. You won't do that on a reconstruction job. So what I want to do is I want to talk to you. The year that we did that big financial analysis in our company, we were able to set up the systems and procedures we needed to be able to really run our content jobs smoothly, doing them very different, again, still than most people do them in the industry. But what we found was that in 1 year's time, we were able to take contents restoration, make it our biggest division in our company, eventually to go to just doing content restoration and nothing else. But we made that the biggest division in our company, and we increased our profit margins, which were already huge, by 1,003%. Now, that's net profit margin, by the way, not gross profit and not gross revenue. We really found the way to be able to do contents and remove the headache and just make it a breeze for everyone involved, not just the homeowner and the adjuster, but for us as well, putting a lot more money in our pocket. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to come and spend some time with us in Las Vegas this September. On September 4th, we're doing a workshop where we are going to walk you through every step of the process that we do in our company so that our contents division is highly lucrative, successful, and pretty much headache-free. Now, if you do contents restoration, you're going to want to come to this workshop. Maybe you want to tweak things. Maybe your profit margins aren't those great ones I was just talking about. Maybe you have headaches involved, or you're having trouble getting paid on your scopes. Well, then you need to come to the workshop. If you aren't currently doing contents restoration, you definitely need to come to this workshop and spend some time with us. Kevin and I will be doing this together. Between us, we've got 30 years experience in the industry, and we are going to take you through every single step so that you will know what training needs to be in place, what equipment do you actually need, and spoiler alert, you don't need $40,000 or $50,000 worth of equipment, by the way, to open up a contents division. We're also going to make sure that you understand how to help your client have the kind of experience that they want to have in their restoration loss when it comes to their contents, delivering that wow client experience for them every time. And we're also going to make sure that when you leave, you're going to know exactly how to bill your content scope, and you're going to know how to get paid fast, in full, and set things up so that adjusters aren't questioning you on your invoice. They're just happy to pay you because they're ecstatic at the way you've handled the claim for them. You're also going to leave this workshop knowing exactly how to create your own competition-free zone and monopolize the work that is in your demographic or in your area. You won't have to worry about contents jobs coming in the door because they're going to be pouring in for you. And by the way, you will get a lot more other restoration work besides contents once you put this monopoly maker in place. So in September 4th, we're doing this workshop from 8:30 to 11 in Las Vegas. We're actually doing it right before the Experience show. So come on down, do the workshop with us. Obviously, buy a pass to the Experience and hang out. The show is full of wonderful hands-on demonstrations and tons of free education. To register for the Experience event and this pre-workshop that Kevin and I are doing on September 4th, go to experiencetheevents.com, and you will be able to set up to come to the workshop as well as the event, which is September 5th, 6th, and 7th in Las Vegas. Now, right now, there is an early bird special going on, and the price of the pre-workshop is just $97. After August 4th, that price is going to go up a little bit. So it's not now or never, it's just now or pay more. So you should go right on over there, experiencetheevents.com, set yourself up to come to the Experience trade show as well as our pre-workshop for just $97. Otherwise, after August 4th, I believe the price of your Experience trade show ticket will actually go up as well, but I'm not sure about that. But our pre-workshop it will go up to $147. Now, I want to make sure that you really understand that this workshop is not like anything you've ever done before for contents restoration. Okay, we are going to really expand your perspective on what it takes to have a successful contents restoration division and really help show you how you can take this amazing high profit niche and get into it easily without, again, as I said, you don't need $40,000 or $50,000, $60,000 to invest in equipment to do this. And we are going to make sure that when you leave the workshop, you're not just going to leave with some good ideas. You're going to leave with a plan. You're going to leave with solid, actionable plan as to how you can either, one, set a contents division up in your company and what that's going to take for you and what that'll look like, or how can you take your contents restoration division and just really make it more successful and highly profitable if it's not right now, and set it up streamlined, because that's really what this is all about, okay? I want to thank you so much for watching the video. I hope to see you in Vegas. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to give us a call. My number is below here on the video, or you can shoot me an email as well, anisa@firehouseeducation.com. I can't wait to see you in Las Vegas at the pre-workshop and at the Experience Trade Show.